Odhiambo Chacha, a senior laboratory technician at C4 Aircraft Soil Plant Spectral Diagnostic Laboratory. So this is the Bruker Tracer 5i XRF spectrometer for elemental analysis. The instrument uses X-ray radiation to detect elements ranging from sodium to uranium. X-ray radiation interacts with the electrons of the atom in the sample and the fluorescence is emitted. This is detected in form of a spectrum where the peak of the spectrum identifies the element and the area under the peak is proportional to the concentration of the element. The instrument offers full user control of the excitation conditions, hence empirical calibrations can be developed and stored into the instrument. Therefore, the instrument is customized for elemental analysis of soil, plants, and manure samples.
My name is Hezekiah Nyandika, a laboratory technician at the C4 Aircraft Soil Plant Spectral Diagnostic Laboratory. To set up the instrument as a benchtop workstation, we align the rails of the instrument to the desktop stand, ensuring that it has been aligned correctly and it's held firmly. Once this is done, we put the sample stage into position and the shield cap into position. To power on the instrument, you press the on and off button slightly and you leave it to initialize. Once it has initialized, you take control of the instrument via the Bruker remote control software that is installed in the laptop through a communication cable to the instrument. The software takes control of the instrument, from where you can select a desired method of your analysis depending on the interest you have. Sample preparation and presentation to the instrument is very critical, hence it should be done very carefully. A milled sample is loaded onto the XRF sample cups, which later on is loaded onto the instrument for analysis at the sample stage of the instrument. Once this has been done carefully, it is shielded with a sample shield. To proceed with analysis, you input the ID of the sample to be analyzed, is scanned. Once this has been achieved, we proceed to acquire data by pressing the trigger. The results are displayed as qualitative in form of spectrum and quantitative in numerical figures. For a successful operation of the instrument, there are certain important things that should be adhered to. The instrument must be connected to a stable power supply. A correct selection of the desired method is very necessary. There needs to be a regular instrument validation that should be done and the result compared to the factory report. And also, attached software should be used to review and compare the analyzed spectra to check their quality.